Where is the secretary? Where is the secretary?
My lord, secretary.
Or he's giving out threats.
My lord, he is alleging, my lord, but
He is alleging.
see them, my lord,
I can make out from his face that he is lying before the court.
to comply. You have passed.
Listen, don't try to act smart.
One week, my lord, time, my lord, comply your lordship.
Very well. For 1 week, let them stay in custody and thereafter they'll comply the court's order.
Appear on behalf of the petition. So, my lord, this order passed on, my lord, 25th of July 2022. Hearing was conducted on, my lord, by the authority concerned, my lord, on 31st of, my lord, January 2023. Regarding, my lord, the unauthorized construction, my representative.
There is a rule issued.
Yes, my lord. Personally, my lord, present, my lord.
Who is personally present?
My lord, new Pradhan and my lord, secretary of the town. Contempt number
New
1
Pradhan, what is his name?
My lord, the Rahul Sardar.
is the new Pradhan and my lord,
Rahul Shodhar and
secretary is the my lord.
Ardhendu Shekhar Ghosh.
Yes, my lord.
Present.
Yes, my
What about Yusuf Ali Haldar?
lord. I don't know.
So, my
Do not know.
my lord, this the hearing was conducted, Yusuf Ali, in presence of Ardhendu, my lord, Ghosh. Now, after issuing the rule, my lord, my client was my lord, directed by the my lord, the Pradhan, present Pradhan, to appear before him. So, my lord, he appeared on 22nd July. Now, since the hearing was conducted, all the side, my lord, appeared before the my lord, the Pradhan on 31st, 5th of February 2023. Now, the secretary, my lord, threatened to my client, why you have made me by name party. So that's why they fixed another date on 29. So, my lord, I appear before, since one hearing has already been conducted, I can appear, but third perception, that's why I'm ensure me the petitioner. Because of that, this is the secretary, which is the secretary, the contempt number 1. So, for my instruction is this.
So where is the secretary? Where is the secretary?
My lord, secretary.
Or he's giving out threats.
My lord, he is alleging, my lord, but
He is alleging.
ask him, my lord, what happened, my lord, unauthorized construction, my lord, Pradhan have to, my lord, pass order. My lord, secretary has, my lord, no role to unauthorized construction, my lord, order. But earlier Pradhan, my lord, conducted hearing, but he does not pass any order. My lord, after receiving, my lord, notice, my lord, this Pradhan, my lord, asking them to send notice.
And as he has been
pass the
elected as party, he'll give out threats to the litigants.
my lord,
There was a direction
What?
secretary.
I don't know, my lord.
You do not know.
He is, my lord, denying me. My lord, he called them, my lord, to
I can make out from his face that he is lying before the court.
to comply the your lordship order, my lord. They have served notice to come the Gram Panchayat 29 July. This new Pradhan. So that day, my lord, they decide the my lord pass the order, but nobody will come, my lord. Only see my lord notice.
Because they,
Or if my lord expert
Madam,
order
video-
they can also pass.
Madam,
But
your CCTV footage,
if my lord
if
both
it is wrong by the petitioner, your lordship can pass consequence order against the petitioner.
agents of the my lord,
My lord, this
party, my lord, decision will be taken.
CCTV footage is there.
CCTV footage of which place?
Panchayat.
Panchayat.
Yes.
And the secretary was present.
Yes, my lord, he himself, my lord, said, why you have made a party by name?
And you think that he's going to preserve the CCTV
I
footages?
don't know, my lord. He said, every my lord, in the South of Biswargara, no, not working.
Yes.
CCTV is-
Obvious, it will not work.
So now there may be, but there was a direction upon the secretary as well as the Pradhan. Lordship, kindly come to page 20.
Yes.
So not the, I am not made a party in so modo in the secretaries. There is the direction. Lordship positive. Because of the secretary is the custodian of the document.
Was any site inspection made?
Nothing. No, nothing. Only hearing conducted. I appear, submitted a written notes of argument in presence of the
What?
Lord, your lordship passed the order, my lord, kindly see, my lord, without going into the my lord,
Yes.
document.
The court will certainly not go into the merit.
Yes.
It is for you to find out whether there is any unauthorized construction or not. How will you find out? Only by giving a hearing.
Lord, if my lord, both sides, my lord, is present, my lord, asking them to whether any plan has been passed earlier or not. That
Yes.
new Pradhan has
What does the records of
Nobody
the
will-
department say?
nobody will come, my lord.
Listen,
So
did you
if
find out from your records whether plan has been sanctioned or not?
Then, my lord, pass the order, my lord, absence of the either of the parties you have passed.
Listen,
on-
don't try to act smart.
Yes.
Did you check up from your records whether the plan has been sanctioned?
Reports is the my lord, Gram Panchayat, my lord, new Pradhan has not.
New Pradhan doesn't know anything.
Lord,
Why is he acting as a Pradhan?
Yes, my lord. One week, my lord, time, my lord, comply your lordship.
Very well. For 1 week, let them stay in custody and thereafter they'll comply the court's order.
But it is my lord, duty, my lord, them comply your lordship order. My lord, they pray, my lord, unconditional, my lord, apology to not comply. My lord, they are trying level based, my lord.
They're
to
trying
ask-
level based.
my lord,
What
to-
type of
to-
level based they are trying?
29 July, my lord, they have asked to come, my lord, nobody will come. So, my lord,
You will go and threaten them and they'll go there for for hearing.
that, my lord, alleging,
This is what you expect?
this is alleging, my lord, he has, my lord, denied.
Inquire from them whether they checked up their records. Please inquire. Please inquire from them.
My lord, they showed that, my lord, there is no plan.
There is no plan. If your records does not show any plan, what will you get from the hearing? You want to find out something else.
As their, my lord, presence, my lord, the statement, my lord, what they are going.
Immediately from your records, you get to know there is no plan. And still then you are not complying the court's order, which was passed in July 2022.
Earlier ex-pradhan was there, my lord, that.
What was the secretary doing? Since when is he working as the secretary? Inquire. Please inquire just now.
My lord, he, my lord, told the earlier ex-pradhan, my lord, several times, my lord,
Very well. Now both will go to jail. Ashunto, please come.
kindly, my lord,
More than 2 years have elapsed. But the order passed by the court is yet to be complied. Stop. The allegation was of unauthorized construction. The secretary of the Gram Panchayat, who is personally present in court, admits that no plan was sanctioned for raising the subject construction. Stop. Despite such admission, the representation filed by the petitioner praying for taking steps against the unauthorized construction has not been responded, despite order passed by the court. Stop. The action of the contemners appeared to be absolutely in violation of the direction passed by the court. Stop. The contemners are directed to file affidavit explaining as to why proceedings under the Contempt of Court Act will not be initiated against them. Stop. Next. An affidavit of compliance shall be filed by the Secretary and the present Pradhan on 29th August 2024 with an advance copy to the learned advocate representing the petitioner. The all the three contemners are directed to remain personally present in court on 29th of August.
no, contempt number 2 is not, my lord, representing.
Which police station will it be?
Mondir Bajar.
Nondigram.
Mondir Bajar.
Mondir Bajar. The officer in charge, Mondir Bajar police station, is directed to ensure the presence of the contempt number 2, put down his details, name, before this court on 29th of August.
Or personal appearance. Maybe my personal appearance, my lord, dispense.
For the day.
Oh.
It is only for the day. Next week, next day, when it will be taken up, they'll remain present. I could have directed them to come here personally every day.
They will must comply.
And for the petitioner,
Yes.
petitioner my lord was deprived of her house rent allowance on the ground that the husband is also government servant getting